We are delighted to welcome leaders of business and the corporate sector here in Ireland back to the Mansion House, where UNICEF has an opportunity to thank the corporate sector for its amazing support for our humanitarian mission around the world.
We're finding in UNICEF is a clear trend away from companies just simply making donations. They want to establish a longer-term partnership with a trusted partner to develop their sustainability and ESG programs.
But what inspired me throughout this year was, once again, UNICEF's unbelievable reach, its incredible capacity to respond at huge scale, with great agility, with great speed, as you saw on the video. UNICEF is there for every child.
We are delighted and humbled once again to be able to support UNICEF's efforts across the globe in terms of making a meaningful difference to the lives of children.
We know UNICEF are first on the ground providing life-saving aid to ensure no child is left behind, and everyone in Primark is so proud of this partnership.
The partnership that Aer Lingus has with UNICEF is really valued across our organisation, particularly amongst our cabin crew. Change for Good appeal on board our aircraft, and the collections have been going now for over 20 years, and we're really looking forward to the next 20 years. Thank you very much.
And what has impressed me most has been the sheer scale and reach of the organisation. It really shifts the dial for children around the world.
Throughout the corporate community, both here in Ireland and especially in the US, there's an increased focus on the impact of ESG strategies by companies. Companies are being scrutinised like never before by their various stakeholders. Shareholders are expecting that ESG initiatives, particularly the social component, have real, tangible impact at scale, and that can be measured and reported. We believe that is why UNICEF is attracting unprecedented support amongst major corporate players.
At the core of its being is the fate, the destiny, the welfare of every child, wherever that child may be.